Jojo, Jiji. A few days ago, tornado came through our area. I didn't know tornado was a thing in winter. The wind and the hail, especially the sound, it was crazy. Well, the weather is better today. There's a park nearby, so we wanted to give it a visit. We've never been there before. The tornado had definitely been through here. Broken trees everywhere. Scary. In 1914, the city bought this land to build a dam and solve the city's water problem. There was a problem though. The ground here is limestone, and limestone doesn't hold water. They built it anyway. For nearly 30 years, the city tried to make it work. By 1943, they gave up and they walked away. The dam is still there, but not functioning. And over time, nature quietly moved in. What was supposed to be a dam is now one of the most beautiful wetlands in the area. Apparently, the beavers helped as well. As an engineer, I get what they are trying to do, but I don't get why you would try to fill a bucket with holes in it. We kept walking past the fallen trees, past the dam that isn't, past the cute little dog that was too eager to get home. It was cold. And then, literally minutes from our home, this. It's not Niagara Falls. It's a surprise. Midwest keeps surprising us. A tornado, a dam that got defeated by limestone, beavers that finished what engineers couldn't, and a waterfall nobody told us about. Verdict? Just real. The kind of real that sticks with you a bit. Maybe good for a stroll after Sunday lunch. I think we'll be back.